there, he would pick up this bird. So look at this
It's
little
not a
bird.
bird.
There's a bird right there.
Oh.
That's when this
If you touch it, the mom won't take him back.
No, I know. Will the rabbit eat the bird?
I have no idea.
Well, why isn't the rabbit hopping away?
Because there's an alligator waiting for your ass. Not me.
Oh, honey. Is he okay?
Can you put him on a stick?
Just at least put him in the woods somewheres.
Yeah. I think if you touch him...
You can't touch him.
The mom...
Oh, he's fine. Okay, just leave him there. His mom's probably there.
Oh, God.
Yeah, just hide in the woods.